Are you a secondary school student in year 9 or 10, or its equivalent? Do you struggle with math? Do you often feel lost when confronted with a mathematical problem, not knowing where to start? Have you tried your best but still ended up with poor grades? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Mathematics Foundation Step by Step will guide you through the maze of mathematical equations, transforming you from a complete novice to a math guru in no time. We cover essential topics like algebra, operations on numbers, geometry and trigonometry. All lessons are created and delivered by expert instructors. Plus, you get the chance to interact with Professor Flynn, your professional AI tutor. You can also learn at your own pace. Use the Q&A section to ask questions and interact with your peers. Upon successful completion, you'll receive a certificate to reward your hard work. So enroll now and join Africadiya School as we help you excel in math.